Foam rolling has gained popularity in the fitness and sports world as a self-myofascial release technique. This simple yet effective practice involves using a foam roller to apply pressure to specific muscles and soft tissues. Beyond its popularity, foam rolling offers numerous benefits that can enhance performance, aid in recovery, and improve overall well-being. Let's explore the benefits of foam rolling and why you should consider incorporating it into your fitness routine. Enhanced muscle recovery. Foam rolling can help alleviate muscle soreness and enhance recovery. By applying pressure to targeted areas, it helps break up muscle adhesions, reduce muscle tension, and increase blood flow to the muscles. Increased flexibility and range of motion. Regular foam rolling can contribute to improved flexibility and increased range of motion. By targeting tight or restricted areas in the muscles and fascia, foam rolling helps release tension and promote better muscle elasticity. Injury prevention. Foam rolling can be a valuable tool in injury prevention. By addressing muscle imbalances, reducing muscle tightness, and promoting proper movement patterns, it helps optimize muscular function and joint alignment. Improved recovery of connective tissues. Foam rolling not only benefits muscles but also aids in the recovery of connective tissues such as tendons and fascia. By applying pressure to these areas, foam rolling stimulates the production of collagen, enhances tissue hydration, and supports tissue remodeling. Relaxation and stress relief. Foam rolling can have a calming effect on the body and promote relaxation. The gentle pressure and rolling movements can stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, triggering a relaxation response and reducing stress levels. Foam rolling is a valuable practice that offers a range of benefits for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and individuals seeking to improve their overall well-being. Start rolling your way to improved performance, enhanced recovery, and better overall physical and mental well-being today.